Squid! I got it, I got it!
Watch out!
Ooh.
Who are you?
I'm Scotty Smalls, nice to meet you.
Oh, that cracked my bat.
I know a place. Come follow me.
Well, what's BWP?
Let's find out. Can you explain to our friends what BWP is all about?
Hi, and welcome to BWP. We are a baseball and softball equipment manufacturing company located in Pennsylvania.
Whoa, these are so cool, but how do you make them?
Follow me right this way and I'll show you. Alright, so right here we have baseball bat blanks, or what we call billets. In this room right here is a climate-controlled room where the humidity is kept maintained throughout the year at 35% humidity.
But wait, this doesn't look like a bat. How do you go from this to the bats you sell?
So we're going to take one of our baseball bat billets here, we're going to cut it down to length, and then we're going to put it in our CNC lathes. It'll cut out the shape of a baseball bat.
The bats in the showroom were super cool. How do we get ours to look like that?
So you saw the bats get ran, now we're going to go to the next step, which is sanding.
This is the paint room. This is where we take one of these hooks, screw it into a bat. We'll hang it here. Spray paint, which this one has already been sprayed green. We'll spray clear on it.
And so the next step is a little bit of cosmetic work. We're going to be applying our logo onto the bat.
We don't want to share our bat, so how do we customize it to make it ours?
You take this over to the laser engraver, put your name right on. So right here we have our laser engraving file ready to go. There you go, Ham.
Wow, this is so cool.
I think the cool thing about manufacturing is being able to make something with my bare hands that a bunch of people can enjoy and use.
Well, now we can hit, but Small still can't catch.
You're killing me, Smalls. Well, we can help you out with that too here, because we also make baseball gloves.
Let's try out this new bat I got at BWP. They call me Long Ball Pointer.
All right, Ham, this is my heater. I dare you to hit it.
Okay, Smalls, it's your turn now. Put your glove up and I'll do the rest.
Please catch it, please catch it, please catch it.
Remember, kids, there's heroes and there's legends. Heroes get remembered, but legends never die. And BWP is a manufacturing legend.